Okay friends, now let us create our driver class. Okay, so but we need to keep in mind that driver class is the main class. So here we need to check this one, public static void main. Okay, my driver. So here first we need to define the config variable. Configuration on new configuration. We need to define the job. It will take the config variable, that is conf common job name, customer complaints. So actually in MapReduce when we execute this program, so the whole job will be submitted to the resource manager. So here that's why it's create the job. Okay, code open. Okay, now here we'll define everything. So first we'll define job dot set. We need to define the main class, that is my driver. The name of it, my driver dot class. We need to define the mapper class, set mapper class. So here my mapper dot class. We define the map output key. What is the output of map class? Map output is text format. If you can remember, we passed the product to a reducer class, and product was in text format. So text class, we need to set the map output value, that was again text. We need to define the number of reducer. If we will not define anything, it will by default will take one, but here it's a good practice, so we can define it. Okay, let me check if I forgot anything. I have written here job, set by class, mapper class, map output class, output value class, and for reducer class, need to set reducer class also. Set reducer class, my reducer dot class. Okay, what else? File input format. Okay, so we can copy this line. File input format is nothing but the input in the when we will execute our program in MapReduce, we will pass the zeroth argument will be our input file. Okay, and here we have written add input path, and the first argument and another argument which we will pass, that will be our output path, where it will save the output file. it belongs to lib library and it's Hadoop FS. Here, uh, this line is basically if your program is completed, it will be exist. The program will be exist. It will come out. System.exit job.wait for completion true then 0 will it will come out. It will wait for the job to be completed and once it is completed it will come out. So now our program is completed. Let me save it, let me build it. Here we are cleaning customer complaint analysis. So no error, so far so good. Let me export the jar file. So here jar, this is my default location where I export the all program jar. Customer complaints analysis. Here it will ask the what is the main class, that is my driver, and it's exported. Okay, so program is completed. We have exported the jar file to now let me open my cluster VirtualBox. So now we will execute our program. Cluster started. Now this is a WinSCP software by which we can copy a file from the local system to our VirtualBox on the Unix system. So here where is my program exported jar self. No, not here. Yeah, program exported jar. Here we can see we have customer complaint analysis. So we'll go to home and we'll copy this file to here. So here it's come. We can delete the old one. We have okay. So this is our input data which we already copied. So let me copy again. Input data. So input data is my here. Okay. Let me copy to our Unix box. Now it's here. Now we have input file and our jar file where we have written the actual logic to our VirtualBox. We have copied all these things to our VirtualBox. Let me open my putty. So it will connect to my this VirtualBox here. Okay. So okay. So let let me check what all folder we have in my root directory. So we have this many folder. Let me create one more. Customer complaint analysis underscore input, where we will copy our input data to our Hadoop system. So here I am creating a folder called CCA, that is customer complaint analysis underscore input. So it's created. Let me copy my input data. Input data is in our redirect root directory. Root directory here. The name is input data txt. So input. We are on our root directory already, so it will show us this file. We are copying this file from here to our CCA customer complaint analysis underscore input folder. Okay, so let us check ls CCA. Oh, okay, so friends, we have our input data ready here. Now let me execute the program. So to execute let me clear it first. So to execute the program, we have to find this is a statement hadoop jar. The jar file name, as I told you, we already are on our root directory, and the name of the file is customer complaint analysis. So it came here hadoop jar. This is a jar file name. Input data. If you can remember, we passed two arguments there. First was the input data, and second was the output file, the output path, where we will store the output data. So input file, where is the input file? CC underscore input, and I'm creating a new folder called CC underscore output, where the output will be stored. So let us execute the program. It's started. You can see job. This is the job ID. Okay, it's running. Here mapper started 0%. Okay, we got some error. Initialize off, all the collection failed. Okay, here we did some mistakes. This one, it does not belong to the soap, basically from Hadoop. So here we have choose this wrong soap. We had to choose this one. Now it's correct. Here it's correct, and here again it's correct. Let us clean the project again. It's done. Let me export it again. Next, customer complaint analysis. Next, browse, my driver, finish. It's saying us the file already exists. You want to overwrite it? Yes. So let me overfile. Where is that file? This one. Overwrite? Yes. Let me go again. And first we have to delete the output folder. It was already created. So Hadoop fs hyphen cca underscore. Okay, cca underscore out. Now let me execute the again. Let me clear this. Now let us again execute the program. Started. Job submitted. Map and reduce started. Okay, here we can see map completed 100%. Okay, so the program completed. Now let us check the output file. Okay, clear it first. Hadoop fs hyphen ls. So let us check our output folder is created or not. cca out, it's created here. So let us go inside this folder. Here our output file is created, part hyphen r. So the name of the file is part hyphen r. Why r? Why r? Because because of the reducer class. Suppose if any program, if you don't have reducer class, so the output will be part hyphen m, because only map are executed. So let us see the output. cca hyphen. Okay, so here we can see in mobile we have 21 complaints, in refrigerator we have 23, television 15, video game 26, washing machine 15. So we got the complaints count across all product. So that was our first problem statement. Okay, so in the next video we'll implement the second problem. Okay, thank you.